mathematical modeling to win a cricket match. It is being presented by me, Shoumik Chattopadhyay, and my friend Vineet Singh. First, you have to know what is a mathematical model to go ahead. Mathematical model usually describes a system by a set of variables, a set of equations which establish a relationship between them. So, according to the user, the control factors have to be optimized, or the control factors have to be chosen such that they can be used for maximum efficiency. So in that, mathematical model comes in picture. With the help of a mathematical model, if proper analysis is done, then it helps in seeing unforeseeable events. In here, we have given an example on the England and India cricket series, that how England used a mathematical model to see the unforeseeable event of winning the test series. The basic building blocks of a mathematical model, which basically consists of decision variables, input variables, state variables and output variables. The state variables depend on the control variables, and the control variables depends on how the user uses it. It changes on the perspective of the user. According to the user, the control how the user controls the variable, which will help in getting the state variables and also producing the output. Now, mathematical models which were used during the ancient times. There was a very famous scientist and mathematician, Archimedes of Syracuse. He used mathematical modeling so that he could stop the Roman ships, because the Romans were attacking Syracuse, and Archimedes was approached. So he used a mathematical model by showing the diagrams of how huge the parabolic mirrors were placed, and whenever the heat of the sun was concentrated at the focal point of the parabolic mirror, and whenever the Romans came near the focal point of that parabolic mirror, they were burned to flames. So this was a mathematical model which were used during the ancient times. And the mathematical models which were used in the present time, the English cricket analyst Nathan Lehman, who is also nicknamed Numbers by his teammates, made a mathematical model, because India were the number one test team during that time. So they had to devise a plan so that they can defeat India and get into that number one position. So as Indian batting department is famous all around the world, they especially target Sachin Tendulkar, because he is the backbone of the Indian cricket team. Now my friend Vineet Singh would like to explain about the profile of Sachin.
Thank you, Shoumik. Now, as you all know that Sachin is a great player. He has no apparent weakness in his game. He can score all on the wicket in front or in front foot or in back foot. He can tune his technique to every suit condition, or decipher a game to suit every condition. He has made runs in all parts of the world in every condition. Here are some profiles for Sachin Tendulkar. How great player he is. In 188 matches he has played, 298 innings, that much runs he has scored. So he is a great player, as you all know. Now, as Indian batsmen plays well around their pads, so what England bowlers have done that they targeted the good length area so that ball will swung away from the batsman so that he can caught out behind the stumps or the slip corners. Therefore, if a batsman were to play a shot, he gets disbalanced. And his batting technique is a very poor technique to get disbalance or play away from his body so that he can be caught behind wicket or in the slip. The person is a sound technique, like we know that Rahul Dravid, the ball of our cricket, how he had played in a England test team. He had the highest run scorer at that time, where Sachin, Lakshman, these are not that players like Dravid. He used his technique to play a ball, to lead the ball. The main three controlling factors of the time is first is the releasing of the ball, pitching of the ball and the swinging of the ball. This is the cricket pitch. Now the releasing of the ball. How you are releasing of the ball? The wrist is your main position. If you want to swing a ball away from your batsman, to your wrist position is the main. You have to swing it like this, so that ball can swing away from the batsman and the batsman got out behind. Next is the pitching of the ball. Pitching of the ball. There are three main areas. First is the full length area. Next one is the good length. Next one is the short one. So England bowlers have pitched good one area so that he can swing away from the ball away from the batsman. He can got out in the slip corners. And next is the swinging of the ball. After pitching of the ball will swing. In England condition, the ball will swing, the natural. And after swinging of the ball, the edge can be taken and the slip, he can caught behind in the slip and the keeper's gloves. How it was done will be explained by Shomik.
Thank you, Vinny. I would like to continue from my friend where he left off. How it was done. Here mathematics was the savior. And Nathan Lehman, who is nicknamed Numbers by the England players, he broke down the target area, that is the pitch which we have shown earlier, into 20 blocks, and each block was the size of 100 centimeter into 15 centimeter, and he made a simulation software and he showed it to his bowlers that whenever you target against a particular opponent, so if he knows already the weakness is outside the off stump, so you have to put it in the good length area, pitch it there, then you have to give the ball a chance to swing away or inside, so that the batsman has to keep guessing that where is the ball swinging, inside or outside. So batsman has to always be alert. So a batsman should always have a sound technique to devise against, to play effectively against these kind of conditions. And the execution. After all this planning, main is the execution. So 261 balls were brought to him till the Edgbaston test. That was the third test of the series. Till then India were 3-0 down. 254 balls were pitched outside his off stump. Six have been bowled in the line of the stumps, and just one beyond the leg stump. That much precision the England bowlers have taken so that they could get the best team in the world out. In the end, Tendulkar realized that it was too late, and he was made out to reach deliveries, and he was playing very poor shots. Till then, India was 3 down. If you have noticed, the last match he tried to save it by scoring 91 runs, but he did not get any support from the other end. So he realized that he was basically getting out to slips, and sometimes he was getting disbalanced. So there were chances of leg before wicket also. Mathematical models used in diverse fields. They may be used in finance, maybe in stock markets where the rate of fluctuation is taking place. So the controlling factors have to be chosen such that you can take care of the stock prices. Computed tomography. It is basically imaging layer by layer, and here also we can see unforeseeable events with the help of mathematical models. Mechanics also, the basic workings of torque and motors. Movement of a rocket model. Before reaching the moon, first you have to make a model so that we can get a precise idea that how much, whatever conditions are required, which factors have to be controlled. And population growth, from which area has the maximum density, which area has the low density, then taking care of all the factors. So thank you.